Is broiler chicken bad for health? Well, not really. Broiler chickens in India are not given growth hormones, as the use of such substances in poultry is banned. So there's no need to be worried about broiler chicken. However, some chickens, broiler or not, are treated with antibiotics. The intention is to give it only to sick chickens to ensure they recover and are healthy for consumption. If the antibiotics are still present in meats beyond certain limits, it can lead to a lot of health problems for consumers over time. A recent study done in 2 states in India found that 72.6% of farmers gave antibiotics to entire flocks if one chicken was sick.
So, ma'am, today I'm going to say, my the yen, I'm a cook nabamatam, that's like yen, antibiotic tab, as a yen, like the Thai had that, yen, I'm cook nab, the yen, but Thai having it. So, she is a permanent mana in Tonabapon, had so I'm high in semen.
A lack of understanding of proper usage. As consumers, cooking chicken properly can kill any harmful bacteria, but it won't eliminate antibiotic residues. Stricter checks by authorities and companies.
Yeno pala thoma matam da sagi yeno yaram bacteria ka ju sigi bi adu sagi antibiotic ki residue di le hugoni havne adu sagi na antibiotic sin na matam da sagi magi causes harmful effect me am da khoi khangmin raga antibiotic sin na bada ka tai habagi matang da se thami ko adu kha ming se.
Companies being more transparent about the levels of antibiotic residues in the meat or even proving their products are antibiotic free would help the consumer.
So yam phajai mai hai ko sa sagi khona yen loiraga sagi yen yolo kuma tam da sagi antibiotic ja kram ka da thagi kram antibiotic thagi dugo nimi kya mang thagi dugo antibiotic dose kyam yawi ha basing myam da sigi sagi da ka aba muru ba authority singna department singna yengjin biraga sigi rules ama sembi daga di sagi pot lai ba consumer sing da ju sagi hena pot to khang na tar ko hidak thai thade antibiotic free ni antibiotic yawuni ha basing myam da khang ga pot lai tar ga di sagi consumer sing da ju hena phaba aware of the photo or any happy matang the so yam has a video and see it and look at just my videos thing the yam the pay she content jump pay otherwise the enemy and the pigeon one message can hammer the hogi yellow ribbon singer sagi tower sagi yen nara sizzle up the sagi pasamang and hapakatana haji kanta yen like by the pasapa yam later noted the call sagi yen jaduna nara sizzle up the matasa the sagi yen and you're talking about Honora Sagi and number sales store heterical. So sales store yon get Sagi like consumers in the Sagi and Navi and the Bagi Tab and Tadam with the Kangdom in the Sagi and the layer Sadu heter. So do Sagi when I divide Saramaton Sagi for the mirror with a harmful effect me amatorposia heter. Duna Sigi Porsche talked about Hogi Manipur Poultry Farm to Hagi Palmersings in the Hagi yellow matam the Sagi antibiotic free the yen, Hidak Tada with the yen hand with that. Lobangam targadi sai khoi na lapnang yen na yon ma matam dal sa ga do je khoi chinong me ama khoi mani pudar le ba mioi khoi chinong ma tani khoi na sa ga do ni na khoi da haksang pha ba hai ja khoi farmer sing da ta yam le ko na sai farmer sing na sigi ro je khangbi la responsibility khangbi la ga ye lo ba matam na sai khoi na hidak tha da da bien do lo ba ya na ba training na khoi na scientific poultry farm management training na khoi pijari je so sinau sina 2 days ki matam khadani khoi training pijari je hafta ang 2 days katani so 2 days se yautho piraga sagi training se padra khangbiraga yen te hidak thadana loiba ya ba skill je makho farmer singna lehenjaningi lahonjaningi aduga hogi punama khoi leba se health ta phaba conscious oba khoi gi business ko farm factor la khoi mai pamna je ha hajaraga losin jage so do myam ngasi video thamjare ba ha no my channel singke mai te proprietor Manipur Poultry Farm myam loinana hogi singu ba kana ba content me am khoi chinau singna khangbina ba phongbina ba Manipur Poultry Farm gi channel Facebook page YouTube hogi follow to sanbiraga lesson biro mathang video de khoi amu thengna si kana information yam phangna si duga ngasi gi information kana khandi taragadi ipu khoni mati yona ba khoi video je tang share to sanbiramo duga mathang video ju amu video de mu myam thengna si until have a nice day ma'am.